Hi, I am Griselda, pediatric occupational therapist at Lorem Wellness Care. I support children with developmental and sensory challenges through child center and family focus. At Lorem, we believe that meaningful progress and improvements happens only when therapy becomes child's life and parents plays a very important role in child's development. I'll be answering some common questions from parents about occupational therapy and child development. Occupational therapy focuses on helping children in participating meaningful everyday life activities like play, learning, social interaction, and self-care activities. Rather than focusing on isolated skills, we occupational therapists focuses on how children functions in their daily routines at home and school. These foundations are strong, which means it will help the child to learn, play, communicate better and meaningfully in their everyday life routines. Parents may find difficulties with attention, sensory sensitivities, TA, motor milestones, and frequent emotional outbursts. So, it's not because the child does not want to do, it's because they find it difficult to regulate their responses from the brain or from the body. So, as an occupational therapist, identifying these signs early, we can provide support timely. Sensory processing is how the brain receives and organizes sensory inputs from the body and environment. Some children feel sensation is too much or some children feel sensation is too less. So these sensory sensitivities affect the children in these areas like poor attention, focus, emotional regulation problems, and also they face lot of difficulties in their daily life routines. As an occupational therapist, we find what are the sensory difficulties and we can help them to regulate sensory input. Therefore, it will improve focus, it makes them calm, and they can also participate everyday life routines. Occupational therapy sessions are just small part of child's life. Most of the learning the child does is from home, school, society, and with parents. Parents plays a very important role in child's life because they are living with child. Therefore, by helping the parents to understand the children's needs and to provide informations like strategies, techniques they can carry over at home. All these things, if the parents can do at home, it will help children to improve and also they will have a better carry over to other areas like home, school, society, wherever they go, not just only OT therapy center. I want parents to understand that children develop and improve in their own time and pace. Not all the children develop in the same sequence or in the same timing. Some will be fast, some will be slow. It is very important for parents to support the growth in their own time. As an occupational therapist in Lorem Wellness Care, with the proper guidance, consistency, and proper collaborations between therapists and parents, child can build confidence, independence, and participation in everyday life. Thank you for watching. If you have concerns about child's development, speak to an occupational therapist for personalized guidance.